This stunning style is sensational from TressAllure. So if you want to learn all about the deets, this color, this wig, all of the features, the finishes, all of the deets, then this is the video for you. So let's get to it. Hello, my name's Tia and I'm a wig coach here on YouTube. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are returning, then you're my doll baby. Hi doll baby, how are you?
So happy that you are here.
Okay, so today I have a gorgeous style from TressAllure and I'm so excited about this one, like so excited about the style, the color, everything. So let's get to this. This is Miss Sensational. She's one of TressAllure's heat-friendly fibers. Now, their fibers are a little bit different. Like if you are kind of shy on heat-friendly fibers, you might want to try out TressAllure's. Their
proprietary blend
is a little bit different than like Raquel Welch or what have you. This really feels so soft. It feels like human hair. But let's talk about some of her features first. Miss Sensational is a feathered long layers. So this is very long layers. She's not a horribly long wig though. I'm 5'6.5" and this is where she ends up on me. She is about 20 inches long, ear-to-ear lace, and she's part of the Look Fabulous collection, which is their heat-friendly synthetic fiber line. Okay, so you can use heat tools. You can use heat tools on this girl up to 320 degrees. This particular shade that I have right here, let's look, 24/102/R12, and it is a very stunning blonde color. It does give me a little peachiness to it. Let's look at the cap construction on this shade, and this is the 2/4R. Okay, and so you can see that she has the natural hand-tied lace front, which is going to give you really a nice natural look, and you can do off the face styling with this because, you know, it really just blends in right with your hairline. This is actually my natural hair and it just blends right in as if it's just coming out of my head. It does have this gorgeous monofilament top, which is going to be hand knotted. It's going to give you that real look of like it's growing out of your head. Also, it's going to give you some great styling options. She is 6.72 ounces in her total weight. This is such a stunning color. So her fringe is 20 inches, crown and side layers is 15 to 22 inches, and then her measurements are the sides are 8 to 12 inches, and then the nape is 15 inches. Heat friendly, comes in an average cap, lace front monofilament, and the rest of the cap is going to be wefted. She does have the bendable ear tabs as well as the Velcro adjustable straps. So, I mean, she's just so pretty. This color is stunning. Let's look at her from the back. Then I will try on the darker color so you can kind of just see the difference between the darker and the light. The one thing I thought there was another wig that I reviewed, Blaze, and I thought that it was the longer version of Picture Perfect, but I actually feel like maybe this is the longer version of Picture Perfect, and I might just need to do like a comparison of all three styles, but
we'll see.
But as you can see, like, look how stunning that is. She really is giving me a peachy vibe. I love the rooting. Like I said, this little widow's peak is my natural hair, and it's just going like right into it. So yeah, so the hairline is so pretty. She's so soft. She does feel like that keratin treated hair, like I always say. And if you wanted to keep her up off the face, you just can use a little bit of my favorite wig wax, TressAllure wig wax. But let's go ahead and look at her in the darker color. And this is a 2/4. So if you really wanted like a dark color but you didn't want it to be fully black, this would be a great color. It reminds me of, I had TressAllure Ashland in the color called Dark Forest, and it's like a really similar color. So this is sort of, ooh, this is really pretty. You know, this might be the longer Picture Perfect, honestly. And this is sort of how she looks. So you can see how the two colors, you know, if you want to go the blonde, you want to go dark, you want to go
somewhere in between.
You know what I'm saying? I am a TressAllure retailer, so if you want to purchase this wig or any other wig, if you're looking for that, then I can help you out. But yeah, wow, this one's pretty. I love this color, but I almost love this wig in this darker color. which is unusual for me. So that's what I have for you for Miss Sensational. If you have this wig and you have thoughts, please put that down below. I'd love to hear it. If you want this wig and have thoughts, please put that down below. I'd love to hear that too. I will leave my TressAllure playlist down below so that you can see all the wigs that I've already reviewed from TressAllure. If there's a wig that's not in there that you would like reviewed, please go ahead and let me know down below in the comments, and I will try to get that up for you. Again, if you haven't subscribed and you're already here, just do it now. Click the bell. You can get all the deets for all the things that I do here on my channel. And if you have, thank you so much. You're my doll baby, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!